Good morning, students. In a previous two lecture, we have started the lesson, the 12th month, and I hope you remember what was the story. There was a mother with two daughters. One was her stepdaughter, that is Morokla, and one was her own daughter, that is Olina. Okay, Morokla was a gentle-hearted girl, and she was very beautiful. So her stepmother hated her because she was beautiful than her own daughter. And Morokla used to work all the day, washing, spinning, weaving, everything, housework she used to do. And her stepsister would just lay down and lazing above. Okay, she was just lying down, enjoying herself, adoring herself, everything. And Morokla was just keep on doing all the household works. One day what happened, Olina told her sister to bring the violets, that is a flower, and she told that she want to wear that violet flowers, and she sent her Morokla to the forest. It was a winter season, and naturally at that time it was all the land was covered with the snow, and there was no sign of anybody. Still, she was forcefully sent out of the house by her stepmother and her stepsister. Okay, उसके बाद हम लोग आए थे. वो she went to the forest weeping and all. She didn't find any human footprints. She wandered about long time, tortured by the hunger and trembling with the cold. मतलब उसे काफी ठंडी भी लग रही थी और भूख भी लग रही थी. At last what she saw, in some distance she saw a glow, that was light of a glow that was in the top of the mountain. A big fire was burning there, and around there were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. Okay, 3 of them were the snow white beard, means old men. Okay, बुजुर्ग थे. 3 were not so old, दूसरे 3 थे वो ज्यादा बुजुर्ग नहीं थे, और बाकी के 3 they were still younger. The 3 youngest were the handsomest of them. और उसमें से 3 सबसे छोटे थे, वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत नौजवान थे. Okay, they were not speaking but all were sitting silent. Great January said, highest of all, you know that January is the first month of the year, and it comes first. तो ग्रेट जनवरी ऑफ आईसी सीट में बैठे थे. ओके, मोरोक्ला वॉज फ्राइटेंड. मोरोक्ला इन लोगों को देख के काफी घबराई हुई थी, बट स्टिल मतलब बोल्डर होके वो सामने गए और बोली उनसे कि लेट मी वार्म माई हैंड्स एट योर फायर, बिकॉज शी वॉज फीलिंग वेरी कोल्ड. काफी ठंडी लग रही थी उसको, तो वो अपने बॉडी को गर्म करना चाहते थे. तो शी वॉज आस्किंग कि क्या मैं फायर के पास अपने हाथ सी ओवर हियर. दिस इज ऑल द 12 months sitting over here. Morokla is standing over here, and it's a big fire here in the forest. Okay, so I can see here Great January nodded and asked her, why have you come here, my dear little girl. January उसको पूछते हैं कि यहाँ पे क्यों आई हो. What are you looking for? I am looking for the violets, answered the Morokla. मोरोक्ला क्या बोलती है, मैं वायलेट्स के लिए आई हूँ यहाँ पे. दिस इज नो टाइम टू बी लुकिंग फॉर द वायलेट, फॉर एवरीथिंग इज कवर्ड विद द स्नो. तो जनवरी क्या बोलते हैं, ये टाइम वायलेट फ्लावर्स का नहीं है, यहाँ पे सारे जगह पे स्नो है, एंड यू वोंट गेट इट. Yes, I know, but my sister Olina and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. Tell me, Father, please tell me where I can find them. Up to here we have completed in our previous lecture. Okay, यहाँ तक हम लोग ने पढ़ा था, मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था. Now we will further move. Great January stood up and went to one of the younger months. It was March, and giving him the club, he said, brother, take the high seat. जनवरी क्या बोलते हैं, मार्च के पास आके बोलते हैं, now you take the high seat करके, अभी आप आ जाओ करके. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. The fire blazed up, the snow began to melt. The trees began to bud, and the ground was at once covered with the grasses. It was springtime. सॉरी, व्हाट वाज दैट, जनवरी का महीना ठंडा होता है और मार्च आते आते गर्मी आ जाती, तो इट वाज सेइंग, तो मार्च आ गया, तो तब क्या हुआ, थोड़ी गर्मी महसूस होने लगी और स्नो जो है वो पिघलने लगी, द स्नो बिगेन टू मेल्ट। और ट्रीज में क्या है, बर्ड्स वगैरह आने लगे एंड ग्राउंड वॉज एट वंस कवर्ड विथ ग्रास। अभी मार्च महीने आते ही क्या हुआ, ग्रासेस सब ग्रो हो गए, उधर ग्राउंड में ग्रो हो गए और ट्रीज में बर्ड्स आने लग गए और स्नो सब पिघल के, नाउ द लैंड वॉज क्लियर। ओके, द वायलेट्स बिगिन टू ब्लूम अमंग देयर little leaves, and before Morokula had time to think, so many of them had sprung up that they looked like a blue cloth spread out on the ground. अभी मार्च महीना आया तो what happened? The violets began to bloom. Violets जो फ्लावर थे वो खिलने लग गए. Their little leaves and all. So many of them were sprung up. यानी जब वो जो मौसम आया तब पूरा जमीन वायलेट हो गए थे. All the ground was covered like it was looking like a bedsheet of a violet. Okay, it was spread. Now pick up quickly, Morokula commanded March. अभी मार्च क्या बोलते हैं, देखो वायलेट फ्लावर्स आ गए, now you can pick up the flowers. Morokula picked up joyfully till she had a big bunch. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered nearly home. अभी मोरोकुला ने क्या किया, बहुत खुशी she picked up all the bunches of the violets with all her heart and scampered merrily home. अब खुशी वो क्या करे, घर लौट आई. Holina and the stepmother wondered when they saw Morokula bringing the violets. They opened the door to her and the scent of the violets filled all the cottage. अभी क्या है, ओलिना एंड द स्टेप मदर वॉन्डर्ड व्हेन दे सॉ. अभी लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे कि मोरोकुला को कभी वो वायलेट का फ्लावर्स लेके आए. दे ओपन द डोर टू हर एंड सेंट ऑफ वायलेट्स फिल्ड ऑल द कॉटेज. वो जो वायलेट फ्लावर्स की जो ये थी, सुगंध थी, सेंट थी, वो पूरी तरह स्प्रेड होने लग गई. ओके, वेयर डिड यू गेट दम, आस्क्ड द ओलिना sulkily. They were growing under the bush. They are growing under the bushes in the forest of the Eye Mountains. कहाँ से मिला, ओलिना उसको पूछती है, तो बोलते थे growing under the bushes in the forest of the Eye Mountain. Eye Mountain जो है वहाँ के फॉरेस्ट में उसको मिला. ओलिना snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to a sister. उसने जो फ्लावर्स लाए थे वायलेट, उन्होंने उसके हाथ से सारे छीन लिए उसने, ओलिना ने, और एक भी मोरोकुला को नहीं देती है वो. The next day she called to her sister and said, "Go Morokula and get me some strawberries from the forest." अभी दूसरा दिन क्या बोल रही है, जाओ फॉरेस्ट से मुझे ये लेके स्ट्रॉबेरी लेके आओ. Alas, dear sister, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? said Morokula. Alas dear, where could I find any strawberries in this hard winter? Morokula says. Okay, Morokula बोलते कहाँ से मैं ढूंढूंगी स्ट्रॉबेरी ऐसे विंटर सीजन में. How dare you argue? Go at once and get me the strawberries or I will kill you. फिर से क्या होलिना बोलती है, तुम मेरे साथ जबान कैसे लड़ा सकती हो? How can you argue with me? You have to follow my commands, order. Okay, otherwise I will kill you. The stepmother caught hold of the Morokula and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. Morokula went to the forest, weeping bitterly. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. Again फिर क्या किया, मोरोकुला के स्टेप मदर ने फिर से उसे घर से बाहर धक्के मार के दरवाजा बंद किया. अभी फिर से मोरोकुला को बाहर भटकने के लिए छोड़ दिया गया अकेले. The snow was lying deep, okay, and there wasn't a human footprints to be seen anywhere. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with the cold. At the last, she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She went to the great fire with the 12 men sitting around it. फिर वैसे ही वो चली जाती है उस दिन जैसे गई थी वहीं पे वो चली जाती है और फिर से उसे वहां पे एक रोशनी नजर आती है और वो खुश हो जाती है उस वक्त। बोलते हैं हाँ पहले जैसा ही ये रहा, कोई ना कोई इसकी मदद के लिए या सहारा के लिए उसे मिल जाएंगे, ये सोच के उसे खुशी हुई। Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 men sitting around it. Again, she went to the there only where the 12 months were sitting. Okay, we will stop with this one from here. From here, we will be continuing in our next lecture. Okay, I hope you have understood so far. The assignment will be given to you. You have to do it and submit it. Okay, thank you.